Are you ready to supercharge your Zoho CRM with a communication system that plays as hard as it works? In this video, we'll explore how to integrate your favorite operator with Zoho CRM, unlocking seamless call tracking, improved lead enrichment, and a unified communication platform to level up your sales and support. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Settings section of your Zoho CRM account. This is usually found by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once in Settings, look for the Channels section. This is where you'll find the options for integrating various communication channels, including telephony providers. Click on the Channels option. Within Channels, you'll see Telephony. Click this option and Zoho CRM will display a list of available operator integrations. Popular choices include Twilio, Ringentral, and Zoho PhoneBridge, but explore the full list to find your provider. Select your operator. You'll now be prompted to enter your operator credentials. This typically includes information like your API key, account SID, or other authentication details provided by your operator. Refer to your operator's documentation for precise instructions. Copy and paste those details into the corresponding fields within Zoho CRM. Once you've successfully authenticated your operator, test the integration by making a test call. Zoho CRM should now automatically log calls, associate them with your contact records, and even allow you to initiate calls directly from within Zoho CRM. Congratulations, you've integrated your operator with Zoho CRM. This integration will automatically enrich your leads with valuable call data, provide a clear communication history, and empower your teams to work smarter, not harder. Enjoy the boost in productivity.